what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
Greetings, gems and gents, and welcome back to another video with Glameres Gems. My name is Ebony. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that way you never miss a new upload from me. And of course, if you are a returning gem or a gent, welcome back. So I'm bringing you this mini Amazon card holder video with Imeetu. This video is long overdue. Hold on, y'all. I need to put on some lip gloss. I'm losing it. 1 second, y'all. So yes, I'm back. So I'm gonna do the unboxing for you really quickly. Before I jump into it, I wanna let y'all know what I'm wearing currently. I have this really cute viral TikTok bodysuit from Rosalie. I'll put the name on the screen for you right here. And then this skirt came from Walmart. I got it a few months ago. I was supposed to haul what I got from Walmart, but honestly, I didn't get a lot of items. So I will have a fall Walmart haul for y'all, but either way. Imeetu is an Amazon store, as I mentioned. I literally have had this sitting up for y'all for so long. Okay, so get her out. So yeah, it just came in this really cute box here, and they have it really nicely packaged. So it comes in multiple colors. Take a while, guess the color I chose. Pink, of course. So it has the dust bag that it comes with, and you can just put it right back in the box, you know, when you decide to pack it away. It has the brand Imeetu engraved on the back of it, so I think that's really nice. And then of course it has the gold hardware here, so it has the zipper to open up the card holder. So it's gonna be very durable over time, and of course it does come in multiple colors. So I will have this link below for you if you're interested in getting one. And I need to put all of my cards in here, because if I tell y'all, I have been just so extra. Like, I have been putting my, hold on, let me fix my camera. Okay, I have been literally just taking out certain cards, putting it in purses, looking crazy, trying to figure out, okay, well, where's this card? Because I need it for this purse or whatever. So yeah, it's really small, compact, great quality. They really put their own touch to it by engraving their name. So to show y'all, I'm not kidding, this has been my bag of choice this summer. And when I tell you, I have literally just had 2 cards that I use primarily just thrown in here, and I'm just going, and y'all know that's dangerous because I could easily lose those cards. So I'll pack these up in my card holder and show y'all how everything looks packed up. I have my keys here. So it has the key hook. Yeah, you can pop it on your keys and rock it like that. Now I do have my upcoming what's in my bag haul that's coming out in the fall months for you all, because I got this really cute bag that I want to share with you, gems. It's very affordable, and also I have some really nice goodies that I'm starting to keep in my bag from my previous what was in my purse video, and I'll link that below as well. So now that I have all of my cards in here, I'm gonna just plop sis right in here. And I did get this bag from Shein. I'll link the video for where I hauled this bag down below. But yeah, so much more easier than just keeping loose cards and random bags. And also you can also hook the card holder to your purse as well, just as an added layer of security. But yeah, I want to thank Imeetu for partnering with me again. I love this Amazon store and their products, and definitely check them out. And until next time, I will see you gems and gents in the next video. Bye.
Tell me